Dania Preserve, a brand new community being built here in Fort Lauderdale, right off of Griffin Road, close to downtown and the airport. All right, we're gonna go inside the maple model, the one right over my shoulder. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it is 1,848 square feet under air. So we're gonna go inside and take a look at this property here. That one right there. All right, now we're inside the maple model here in Dania Preserve, or Dania Preserve, however you pronounce that. As you walk in, you have a nice living dining area down here on the first floor that opens up to a patio, which let's go outside and take a look at that first. In the patio, your yard, you have a private fenced yard. So if you happen to have a small dog or a medium-sized dog, I think the small dog will probably fit through those slats. But you have your own private yard in a townhouse. Not many townhouses here in Florida offer that. So there's the front door down that hallway. And here's your living dining area and the kitchen downstairs. And that door right there next to the stairs, that's the half bath. And there I am in the mirror. Step aside. All right. Here's the half bath. And through the kitchen, you come into the 2-car garage, which has storage under the staircase. That's a bonus. So you can put shelves there, park bicycles. So you've got a nice big 2-car garage and a tankless water heater. That's a plus. So you have a pantry, Frigidaire appliances, and soft closed drawers. Get you a better view of the kitchen area. So you got the breakfast bar. Your living area. And now let's go upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms. There's also a loft. So we'll start on the left side, which is the master bedroom. So up here you have a nice little loft area. And you go right into the master. And it has the tray ceiling. I'm trying to get the gimbal to do what I want. So a nice sized bedroom up here. You have the master bathroom. Big shower room. Dual sinks. And a large walk-in closet. And inside the master bathroom, there's also a linen. So you have a linen closet as well. So there's your master bedroom. We'll walk back out through the loft. And right here you have your AC room. And this is the laundry room. They didn't put the washer and dryer in yet. But this is the laundry room. And then you have 2 bedrooms up front. And this is the bathroom. For the 2 front bedrooms. And here is one of the front bedrooms. Now the windows are not hurricane impact glass, but they do have accordion shutters on the outside, so you are covered for hurricanes. And a walk-in closet Oh, there we go. For this bedroom. Give you another view. And looking right out the window, there's the lake. Now we'll walk to the bedroom next door, the third bedroom. And there's also a linen closet upstairs. So all these bedrooms have walk-in closets. And we'll go back downstairs. Here's the loft area. Here's your view from the staircase. And this is the Maple model, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. 1,848 square feet under air with a 2-car garage. If you want more information about these models, give that number a call right now, 954-551-1987. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. So here we are at the Holly model. Here's the street. As we go right in the front door. They're still building this, but this is my favorite model because of the kitchen. I love that it has a big separate island from the kitchen. Has a pantry. And a big family living area. And with all these townhouses, you get your own private yard that is fenced in. Nice area for privacy. So here's the living area, dining area, kitchen, all in one. And now we'll go upstairs. Oh, before we do that, let's go see this half bath that's downstairs. So you have a half bath. And right through this front door, or this door up front, you have the garage. And you see that there on the wall to the right? Tankless water heater. Saves you a lot of space. So now let's go upstairs. And you have your laundry area right at the top of the stairs, so you don't have to take laundry baskets up and down. And in the front of the property, you have the master bedroom with the tray ceilings and a walk-in closet. And a large master bathroom with dual sinks and an enclosed shower. The master bedroom. This one has the view across the street of the lake. And there's my red truck down there. And we'll go take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. Here's the bathroom for the other 2 rooms. You have 1 bedroom in the back of the property. And the 3rd bedroom. And you can see down there you have, oops, went it the other way, you have your own private yard. Everyone does. And here's the 3rd bedroom. So let's go back down. There you have it. The Holly model.